that's Bearcat. What is a Bearcat? I mean, a Bearcat's a bit wrong. It smells like popcorn, but what does it sound like? Today we walked around school and asked a bunch of people, what does a Bearcat sound like? Hey guys, so we're here with, introduce yourselves.
I'm Danny.
I'm Stephanie.
Okay, so guys, what do you think a Bearcat sounds like? Best approximation. Okay, Danny?
Arr.
Arg. Okay, do you want to know what it really sounds like? It's actually pretty close. Stephanie's is pretty close.
Oh, really?
What? What is that? What is that noise? You know what it sounds like? No. It sounds like, you know when you like the creaking door when you open it? That's how it sounds like.
Okay, thanks guys. Hey guys, so we're here with
Francesca.
And Sophia. And Sydney.
Okay guys, so what does a Bearcat sound like?
It's this whole thing, he won't get it.
Okay. Do you want to hear what it actually sounds like?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, are you ready? Are you ready for this?
No.
Okay.
That's like, it kind of sounds like a dying donkey. Yeah.
Okay, so we're here with, introduce yourselves.
I'm Mateo. I'm Newton.
Okay guys, so what do you think a Bearcat sounds like?
I'm not sure.
Okay, that's good. That's fine. Do you want to hear what it actually sounds like, Mateo? And
Oh, sure.
Newton?
Oh, I was kind of right.
Okay, thanks guys.
Like a duck.
Kind of like a duck. Yeah, thanks guys. Hi guys, so we're here with, introduce yourself.
I'm Dendup. I'm Joaquin. Manuel.
So guys, what does a Bearcat sound like?
Rar.
Manny?
Grr.
Close. Okay, this is what it actually sounds like. Oh my god. Guys, what does a Bearcat sound like? So that's what a Bearcat sounds like. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Bye.